This is my 1989 Jeep Cherokee Pioneer. Was my grandpa's. Gave it to me when he passed away, and I haven't been doing much with it in the last 3 years. So today we're going to change out the front half of the suspension. Let's get to it. So the first thing I want to do before I take anything off is see how much we're sitting at from the ground to the bottom of the fender. So looks like we're at 32 inches, 32.25 inches. So hopefully that changes. Hello. Alrighty, I'll be downstairs. Alright, bye. Well, my steering stabilizer from my DJ came in, so I'll be right back. Oh! That came down so much easier than it should have. Thank God. How many fucking bolts? Ow. Remember, how do I do this? It's out. God. I remember how much stock XJ springs suck to get out. So, here's the new one. Put them side by side. So you have the new and the old. They're about the same length, but the old one has more coils that are closer together than the new one. Is it supposed to be like that? If you have the answer, leave in the comments below. Greatly appreciated. Helps me expand my knowledge. Okay, but first, I have some new bump stops. So everything that I got was by Crown Automotive. This one didn't have any bump stops. Okay, I guess. I'll be back once I get these on. Well, there it all is. Shock, bump stop, coil spring. Eventually I'll have to go in and replace the sway bar links and a couple other things, but for now, that is the driver's side of the front done. Alright, now that it's done, let's see. 30.5 inches. There's the number of whether it's taller or shorter, because I can't remember. I guess once I get the rear done, I'll let you know how it is. But as of right now, I mean, it's definitely better than what it was, because these shocks won't even expand on their own, collapse really easily. So I mean, it's newer, so obviously it's better than the stuff that's probably 20 or 30 years old. So the part one done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps me out, and see you in the next video.